Ever pondered over the possibility of traveling at light speed? What if we could journey across the cosmos in the blink of an eye? Welcome to the realm of science fiction, where the impossible becomes merely a challenge to overcome. Now consider light speed travel, or LST for short. It's an idea that has captivated humanity for generations, the potential to traverse the vast expanses of space in mere moments. But current scientific understanding places stringent limits on how fast we can travel. The laws of physics, as we understand them today, make it clear that nothing with mass can achieve the speed of light. Enter the world of speculative technologies, where we take our current knowledge and give it a little twist, a little stretch. Imagine if we could bend these rules, not break them. Enter the Higgs distortion drive, a theoretical solution that could make LST not just possible, but plausible. The heart of the Higgs distortion drive is the Higgs field modulator. But what does this mean? Picture this: a device that can warp the very fabric of reality, making the seemingly impossible possible. At its core, the Higgs field modulator's function is to generate and control what's called an outer Higgs distortion field. This field has the extraordinary ability to reduce the mass of the spacecraft to zero. Yes, you heard right, zero. Now, how can this be achieved? Well, it's all about quantum field technology. This is where we take a leap into the realm of science fiction by extrapolating the properties of something called the Higgs boson. You might remember the Higgs boson from its nickname, the God particle, due to its fundamental role in the universe. The speculative mechanism behind the Higgs field modulator operates through highly advanced manipulation of the Higgs field at a quantum level. This is a process that's currently unknown in physics, but who's to say what the future holds? With every scientific breakthrough, we push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. So, while the Higgs field modulator is purely speculative at this point, it's a fascinating idea. It challenges our understanding of the universe and propels us into a future where interstellar travel could become a reality. The Higgs field modulator, a device ahead of its time, could be our ticket to the stars. Maintaining balance while on the move is crucial, even more so at light speed. Enter the quantum entanglement core, the unsung hero of our Higgs distortion drive. It's like a master juggler, managing the inner Higgs standard field, ensuring the standard mass properties within the ship. Sounds fancy, right? But how does it work? Well, imagine having an invisible string that connects two objects no matter the distance between them. Any change in one object is instantly reflected in the other. Now, this isn't a magic trick. It's an actual phenomenon known as quantum entanglement. Our quantum entanglement core employs this very principle to synchronize the ship's internal field with the normal Higgs field. It's like having a mirror image of the normal Higgs field inside the ship. This mirror image ensures a stable environment, even as the ship zips through space at light speed. Think of it as being inside a car. Even as the car speeds up or slows down, you don't feel a change inside. That's because the car's internal environment is synchronized with the outside. The quantum entanglement core does the same for our spacecraft, but at a much more complex level. We call this quantum field synchronization. It's a speculative concept, of course, but then who knows what we'll discover in the vast cosmos. The quantum entanglement core ensuring that even at light speed, we're steady as a rock. A journey at light speed requires power, and a lot of it. To make our Higgs distortion drive work, we need an energy source that's as impressive as the rest of our tech. Picture something like a zero-point energy extractor, a device that taps into the vast, untapped energy of the vacuum of space itself. Or imagine an antimatter reactor, where a tiny amount of antimatter can unleash an enormous amount of energy, making it a potent fuel for our drive. And if those sound too far-fetched, how about a compact fusion generator, a miniaturized version of the same process that powers our sun? These are all speculative technologies, of course. They're beyond our current capabilities, but hey, we're talking about a spaceship that can travel at light speed. With the right power source, even light speed might not be the limit. Changing lanes at light speed, you'll need a good buffer. Now this is where our field transition buffer steps into the spotlight. Imagine the challenge of seamlessly shifting gears between two distinct Higgs fields. It's a dance of cosmic proportions, a delicate balancing act. The field transition buffer is the maestro of this intricate performance. It's tasked with managing the transition between the outer Higgs distortion field which effectively reduces the mass of the spacecraft to zero and the inner standard Higgs field, ensuring the standard mass properties within the ship. It's like switching between being as light as a feather and as heavy as a mountain in a blink. This sophisticated system employs a network of field dampeners and regulators, carefully balancing the two Higgs fields. The result? A smooth transition that prevents catastrophic effects when switching between them. The field transition buffer, ensuring a smooth ride at any speed. Navigating the cosmos at light speed is no easy task. To put it mildly, it's like trying to thread a needle while riding a roller coaster. But with the right tools, it's not impossible. Let's explore how that might work. A spacecraft traveling at light speed would need a control system capable of making split-second decisions based on complex calculations. Enter our first hero, Advanced Artificial Intelligence. With the ability to process vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, this AI would be the ultimate pilot, navigating the spacecraft through the cosmos with unparalleled precision. But even the most advanced AI would need a little help. That's where our second hero comes in, quantum computing. The quantum computer would crunch the numbers, calculating the complex field dynamics required for light speed travel. It would analyze the shifting cosmic landscape, adjusting the spacecraft's trajectory to avoid obstacles, like that pesky asteroid that didn't RSVP. And it's not just about avoiding a catastrophic collision. This dynamic duo would also control the speed of the spacecraft, ensuring that it can achieve light speed without ripping apart. It's a delicate balancing act, but with AI and quantum computing at the helm, it's more than feasible. So while navigating the cosmos at light speed might seem like a Herculean task, it's not beyond the realms of possibility. With the right navigation and control system, we could chart a course to any star. Traveling at light speed is thrilling, but safety always comes first. As we zip through the cosmos, it's crucial to have a system in place that ensures the well-being of the crew and passengers. After all, what's the point of reaching the stars if we can't survive the journey? Enter the safety and life support systems. These are not your ordinary life support systems. These are advanced systems that operate independently of the Higgs fields, ensuring a stable and livable environment inside the spacecraft. It's like having your own personal bubble of Earth right in the heart of your ship. Imagine systems that can monitor the health and well-being of each individual, adjust the internal environment to match their needs, and even provide medical assistance in case of emergencies. All of this while maintaining a perfect balance within the spaceship, unaffected by the light speed travel outside. But safety is not just about survival. It's also about comfort. These systems would ensure that the internal environment is just right. Not too hot, not too cold, but just perfect. And of course, let's not forget about the food and water. Advanced recycling systems would ensure that resources are used efficiently, so you won't have to worry about running out of snacks on your journey to the stars. With advanced life support systems, we can ensure that the journey is as safe as it is fast. The Higgs distortion drive, a beacon of hope for the future of space exploration. This novel concept, although purely speculative for now, brings together the advanced realms of quantum physics and technological innovation. From the Higgs field modulator that reduces the spacecraft's mass to zero, to the quantum entanglement core, ensuring a stable environment inside the ship. Powering these complex systems requires a futuristic energy source, a concept that surpasses our current capabilities. The field transition buffer ensures a smooth transition between the two fields, while the navigation and control system, leveraging advanced AI and quantum computing, guides the spacecraft on its trajectory. Let's not forget the structural integrity field, maintaining the spacecraft under the intense pressures of light-speed travel. And lastly, the safety and life support systems, safeguarding the crew and passengers. With these components working in harmony, we may witness a new era of exploration. Light-speed travel, once a dream, could become a reality with the Higgs distortion drive.